Welcome to the File Cabinet and Document Management module in Universal. This powerful feature allows you to securely store, organize, manage, and access all your business documents from one centralized location. Whether you're managing contracts, invoices, employee files, or customer documents, everything stays organized and easy to find. Log into your Universal dashboard, then go to Employee section, then click on File Cabinet. Let's begin by creating a folder. Click New Folder. Enter a folder name such as Customer Contracts, Employee Records, or Financial Documents. Then click Save. Creating folders helps keep your documents organized and easy to locate. To upload files, simply open the desired folder and click Upload Documents. Select one or multiple files from your computer. Universal supports common file formats, including PDF, Word, Excel, images, and many more. Once uploaded, your files are securely stored in your file cabinet. Each uploaded document displays useful information such as the file name, upload date, file size. You can quickly preview documents without downloading them. Just click on the eye icon. To download it, just click on Download icon. Then you can also send it by email by clicking on the mail icon. Then you can also copy the link to Clipboard. Next, you can send it via message. Then you can also move the files to different locations by clicking on the file icon, making document management faster and more convenient. Need a document quickly? Simply use the search bar to search by file name. Universal instantly filters matching documents, helping you find what you need in seconds. You can keep your file cabinet organized by moving documents into different folders, renaming files when needed, or deleting outdated documents. This keeps your document library clean and easy to manage. Thanks for watching.